Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to back up your Brave browser. Okay, so method 1 right here, we have the Brave Sync or the Cloud Sync. Okay, this one right here syncs bookmarks like so, passwords, histories, extensions, and etc. And it is, of course, across devices via secure chain. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead over to settings right here at the top right. Click on 3 horizontal lines. Click on settings. Now, in the left panel, we have sync. Okay, so click on sync. Click on manage your synced devices like so. Now you could go ahead and add in a new device right here and just follow simple prompts. Okay, so whenever you go ahead and open up Brave browser and log in, all of your bookmarks, password history will be available in that device as well. So the other option is by manually exporting your bookmarks and password. Okay, so for passwords, you could go ahead over to this URL. Okay, go ahead and type down brave : /password -manager /settings. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on enter. And in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and click on export passwords. Okay, download the file and save it wherever you want, like so. Now for bookmarks, what you do is just go ahead over to, again, this URL, just delete password manager, and just type down bookmarks. Hit on enter. Now you go ahead and browse through bookmarks, other bookmarks, and mobile bookmarks. Okay, so click on 3 dots right here and just export your bookmarks. There you go. And to import it, of course, you have that option here as well, by the way. Also for passwords, okay? You have import passwords here. Now, the last option is by copying the user data folder, okay? Which is a complete profile backup. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay? Now, once that's done, just hit on enter. Now, this folder will open. So what we're going to do is just go to find a Brave browser or Brave software. This one. Double click. Now double click on Brave browser. User data right here. As you can see, we have a ton of files. Just go back, right click, and just click on copy, paste it wherever you want, and just wait for the process to finish. Now, if you want to import it in the future, just go back to local app data, Brave software, and paste the user data folder. Okay? And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.